Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fire Sign. This is November weekly reading from November 9 to November 15th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo Fire Sign. Leo, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What's going on, Leo? Very heavy energy. My God. So under the deck Temperance, maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius, Five of Cups, Judgment, and Knight of Cups and Knight of Swords. I think for some you have options here, or in future someone is coming towards you to offer their cup of love to you, and for some it could be a past person coming back with an apology here, and for some you still have strong emotions towards this person. I think you want to make some decision regarding this relationship. Maybe some of you going through some breakup, going through some divorce here. And yeah, some of you are in separation right now. You are going through a lot emotionally, Leo. And you want to balance things within yourself. Yeah. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Magician, Five of Wands, and the World. Maybe some of you manifested this person into your life. But there were a lot of issues between you and your person, a lot of drama was going. So some cycles are already ended in recent past between you and your person, lots of you are in separation in recent past, and lots of you are in long distance relationship. Then present King of Swords, Ten of Wands, and Five of Swords. So you want to take the control of the situation here because you are feeling overburdened. The total burden is on your shoulder here because they always in and out of your life. You only the person always taking care of this relationship. So they backstabbed on you, cheated on you. That's why you want to take control of the situation here. Then future Six of Swords, Nine of Swords, and Seven of Pentacles. They keep putting you on waiting mode here. Some of you is still waiting for their call or text here. Don't say no because Seven of Pentacles. Some of you still wanting or waiting here but not showing. You already want to take control of your situation, so you decided to move on because Nine of Swords energy, because you are overly thinking about this person a lot and you are in anxiety and depression energy here. That's why you want to move on. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, the Star. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. So they're hoping, they're wishing for this connection. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Leo, your person current feelings and intentions towards you. So let's see their intentions also. So I want clarification card for the world here. Okay. So under the deck, strength, maybe you're dealing with under Leo here, and Page of Swords, and Nine of Swords, and the Fool. Definitely they are missing you. You both are in same energy, and they want a new beginnings with you, brand new beginnings, because the Fool card is here, and Nine of Swords with Page of Swords. So they're spying you, they're watching you on social media, and they're working on their inner self to come forward. So the current feelings, Nine of Cups, Three of Swords, and the World. The World clarified by Six of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and Justice. So they want second chances, but right now they are at some crossroads here. They're wishing, they're praying for this connection, and your person have to make choice or have to make some decision here. But end of the day, they want second chance with you, and for some third party involved in this relationship. There is no equal give and take. There is no partnership between you and your person, but justice here, they want second chances. But for some third party is also involved in this relationship. Then their intentions, High Priestess, Three of Swords, and King of Wands. So they started listening to their intuition and trusting their intuition here. And Three of Swords, right now they're missing you a lot. They're heartbroken without you. Three of Swords, they are in this pain. They're realizing your worth here, Leo. That's why they want to take action, King of Wands. They are very passionate about you and they want to take action towards you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Queen of Cups, they do love you. Right now, your person may be emotionally drained. They want a passionate new beginnings with you, or they want to free from this energy and they want to be in the full energy. Now they are feeling the pain for you. Yeah, communication text is coming, and for some kids also involved in this connection, but you are not in a rush, Leo. You are juggling right now. You don't want to make decision in a hurry, so that's why you're taking your time, because you are drained and you are tired here. Your energy is totally drained here. That's why you're taking your time right now. You're focusing on your money. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Leo. Yeah, in past they left you out in the cold. Now they're coming back with a passion again. But you are doing your own thing. You are loving yourself. You are taking care of yourself. But they're wishing, they're praying for this connection. And for some, a brand new person is entering in your life. You are doing your own thing here. You're focusing on your career here. Your financial stability. But they're coming back to you. It's up to you what to do, what not to do, Leo. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Leo. All I want is you. Text is coming and I have regrets. All I want is you. Text is coming and I have regrets are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Leo. The energy is gaining momentum, waxing Moon. Yeah, definitely there will be some momentum from your person side. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio here. And your commitment is being tested first quarter moon. For some, it is a testing time for you, but don't disappoint. Just do your work and be honest. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.